Ever wondered if the Hawkins Contura hard anodized pressure cooker is a reliable and efficient addition to your kitchen? Welcome back to our channel, where today we're exploring this very question. Diving straight into the specifications, we find that this pressure cooker, manufactured by Hawkins, sports a sleek black color and a 1.5-liter capacity. Ideal for small households or meals for 1 to 2 people, this compact cooker, weighing a mere 3 pounds and measuring 32, 2dx17wx14, 5h centimeters, is easy to handle. But what sets the Hawkins Contura apart from its competition? Its unique curved body design facilitates easy stirring during cooking, preventing food from sticking or burning. The hard anodized surface, both inside and out, stands up to the highest standards of hygiene and durability. This material combination is less reactive with food, ensuring safe and healthy meals every time. Let's highlight some of the pros. The cooker's black body absorbs heat faster, making it energy efficient. Its inside-fitting safety lid ensures that pressure won't release until it's safe to open. With its superior pressure regulation system, it cooks faster and saves fuel. And the Stay Cool handles? They're comfortable and safe to hold, even when the cooker is in use. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. The 1.5-liter capacity may not be sufficient for larger families or gatherings. And it's recommended for use on gas stoves, which might be a limitation for those with different cooking setups. In conclusion, the Hawkins Contura hard anodized pressure cooker offers a blend of style, efficiency, and safety features. Its durable construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable addition to any kitchen, particularly for individuals or small families. Despite some limitations in terms of capacity and stove compatibility, its overall performance and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment. And there you have it, our comprehensive review of the Hawkins Contura pressure cooker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and kitchen tips. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to many happy cooking adventures.